It's spring, and while it might be enticing to get outside and get your hands in the dirt right now, it is only March. Our garden is still sleeping. You can see there's a lot of leaf litter and debris. We've got some grasses and some stalks left over from last year. And we do that purposely because there's a lot of beneficial insects that actually bed down and a lot of pollinators that bed down in our gardens waiting for the weather to warm up. Right now, we're basically going to be removing large items, this wiregrass, the bane of many gardeners' existence, and some larger stalks that have left over. Ah, there we go. It looks like a messy garden, but it's this way for a reason. The decay and decomposition from some of our leaves will help amend the soil because in the trees, most of the nutrients are actually going to be in the leaves and the most distal branches, the smallest branches of that tree in the canopy. Right now, it's very tempting to get out into the garden and start planting too much too early, but you'll end up wasting seeds or having plants stunted that are never going to be as productive as they otherwise could be if you had waited for the right plant at the right time a little bit later in the season. So right now, you can start with planting your arugula and fennel. Those are great choices for this time of year here in Virginia. Fennel grows really great. Sometimes they come back. Ours came back last year, but we always save our seeds. They're really great for native pollinators. Our native bees and butterflies love these, so it's a good thing to get out because once those bees wake up, they will have a feast ready to go. I'm not going to plant this whole thing. We actually only need probably one of these tiny little inflorescents. So fennel, turnips, purple globe turnips, those are great to plant now, and arugula. When you plant arugula though, you're gonna wanna make sure that it's in a place where you're gonna want it for a while because it is very, very resilient. It will stay all year, sometimes through the winter time, and it will reseed itself. The great thing about that is arugula is expensive in the grocery store, but it grows abundantly, so you can actually turn one of these little $2 packs of seeds into quite a savings throughout the year. It's also really low maintenance. You don't have to worry too much about it. It's a great plant for a beginning gardener. So we're gonna just broadcast these indiscriminately around, and you should see these sprouting in about 7 days. They're a great choice for right now, and you can give yourself some time to relax, enjoy the slow days of the spring, and get ready and energized for everything that you want to accomplish in your garden this year.